Tex. I'm going to make you from Texas. Texas is where you're from. So if you don't already follow me here, please do drop me a follow. Because I need followers. As well as gifts. Gifts are nice. I'm not going to lie. Thank you so much, AK, for the heart things. Please do drop me a follow, everybody. Thank you so much. Could everybody go share the live? And then I'll go back to doing your names. Amelia. Amy Louise, thank you so much. Oh, hello there, Kodiak Wolf. Thank you for sharing the live. Look at that. Everybody, Louis Bay. Hey there, my name is Louis Bay. I shared the live. So that is why you have that accent. People who share my live, I'm going to give you a name. Erin. Oh my goodness. Erin shared the live. She's got a pretty sharp accent. 100%. Lily.